ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्ठात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Hello everyone. come. So we are in the final stretch, or I think about only five chapters left, and then we'll do Narayana Kavacham. So I think we are perfectly timed. Like every week, one class we do, we'll be able to complete it by April 14th. So Nikki will do 37 and 38. So 37, Nick 37 will start. So 37 and 38 is the Krishna Avataram, right? So in the up to 36 was everything else, right? Narayana, if you break into three pieces, right? Up to 36 is all the other avatarams and introduction and everything. Then all the way from 37 to almost up to 90 or 89, 90 is all Krishna related things. And then the last 10 chapters are just kind of condensation of Bhagavad Gita, konjam apdi ipdi, what is the path to enlightenment, liberation, and the marila last 10 chapters. So majority from once Krishna is born 37, 38, then it's all the activities of Krishna. That's the essence, most of it, right? So we'll start with 37, Nikki. So since Sangeeta, since you're back, you can be a student, and Sabita can be a student also. Okay. Right. So we'll start with 37, stanza 1. सांध्रानन्दतनो हरे ननु पुरा दैवासुरे सङ्घरे त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो येथेन याथागतिं तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः. So again, like chapter 1, right, Bhattacharya is starting this Krishna Avataram with Sandra Nanda Tano Hare. So again, you, who is like a condensation or a kind of the entire bliss has been condensed into one, and that is you. So that you. So long time back, so this is now referring to all the other avatars were all happening in the Treta Yuga, Rama Avataram, Parashurama Avataram, and all happened in the Treta Yuga. So in Dwapara Yuga now, at this time, Deva Asura Sangre. So in the previous yugas, in the battle between the Devas and the Asuras, even though Tvat Kritapi, even though you had actually taken other avatarams and destroyed all the Asuras, typically when in majority of the cases, and including in Krishna Avataram, when somebody dies at the hand of the god, they attain liberation. But here Bhattripat says, Karma Shesha Vashataha. There are some Asuras who still had some residual karma left. They had done so much papam that they had still not attained liberation. So they still had to have one more janmam to kind of burn out their karma. So because of their residual karma, they had taken birth as various kings and everything. And we'll see Kamsa, how he was, Kalanimi or the connection. So because of that, they were still born. And so they had not attained liberation. And so because of this, Tesham Bhutala Janmanam. So they had taken birth in this earth. And because of this, Bharena, because of the atrocities they were causing, there was a heavy burden on earth. So now because of all this heavy burden, the earth approached Brahma. So Brahma here is Virincham. So the earth, Mother Earth approached Brahma and says that you got to help me out. But when she had gone there, Devai Puraivagate, the Devas had also already gone to Brahma and said things are happening bad, so we need your help. So that is stanza 1. So Sandra Nandathano Hare, comma, Nanu Pura Daivasure Sangare, comma, Tvat Kritta Api Karma Shesha Vashato, comma, Yete na Yata Gatim. So we'll do two lines. Sandhanandatano Hare Nanupura Daivasure Sangare Tvatkritta Api Karma Shesha Vashato Yetena Yata Gatim. Sabita, can you go?
Sandranandatano Hare Nanupura Daivasure Sangare Tvatkritta Api Karma Shesha Vashato Yetena Yata Gatim. Sandranandatano Hare Nanupura Daivasure Sangare Tvatkritta Api Karma Shesha Vashato Yetena Yata Gatim.
Sandranandatano Hare Nanupura Daivasure Sangare त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम् सान्द्रानन्दतनोहरे ननु पुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम्
तेषां भूतल जन्मनां दिति भुवां comma भारेण दूरार्दिता. இன்னைக்கு பூமிஹி இருக்கு, you can put a f there. So பூமிஃப் prapa virincham ashrita padam. So virincham is Brahma. So virincham ashrita padam, comma. Again devaihi irukku, you can put a f there. So devaih puraivagataihi. तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः.
तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः. ஒரு சந்தேகம், விரிஞ்சமாஸ்ருத பதம், ரைட்?
விரிஞ்சம் ஆஸ்ரித பதம்.
விரிஞ்சம் ஆஸ்ரும
ஆஸ்ரித
ஆஸ்ரித
பதம்.
Okay. Can you do one more time?
Yeah, sure.
तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमा आश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः.
तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण धूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चम् आश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण धूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चम् आश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः.
So I think once you are comfortable saying it a little bit faster, you don't have to technically break, because the break panna sometimes you'll feel like you're not landing properly. So you can just say virincha mashrita padam, you can say it together once you get comfortable with it. Okay. Stanza 2. Ha ha dhurjana bhuri bharamatitam pato nidau patukam एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुरप्रलापविवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दद्यौ भवन्तं हरे. So ha ha means ha ha is like Sanskrit, like 2 times if they say something it's double emphasis. So ha is like oh my god, alas, right, and the mari. So 2 times means like it's a double emphasis on that. So because of Durjana, because of all the bad people and the bad kings who were then ruling the earth and all the atrocities, the earth was getting crushed. And the explanation here is it was getting crushed that it was about to kind of sink into the ocean, Mari, but it's just a metaphor, Mari. So it was like really getting burdened with all these people. So Mother Earth then is going to Virincham Brahma and saying, please protect me. And she's also saying, I'm so helpless, I'm not able to do anything to get rid of these kings. And you can even ask these devas who are here as witness, so they know what is happening. And the earth is pointing to the devas. So looking at this earth, right, alokya dhata mahim, looking at this helpless state of the earth, and also then checking the state of the devas, Brahma doesn't have an answer at this point. And so what he does is he says, okay, let me meditate on Vishnu to see what the recommended solution is. So here, anyway, the problem, the suggestion is anytime you have any problem, right? So even when Mahabharata, when Dhritarashtra, kind of wanted to understand why all this was happening and everything, Krishna said, okay, go for several days and just meditate. Don't think about, just think about it, think about me and meditate, and you'll get the answer. So the Mari Brahma then says, okay, I hear your problem, I see the state of the earth, I hear from the Devas, so give me a few days, I'm going to then think about it. So Brahma begins the meditation here. So ha ha durjana bhuri bhara matitam, comma, patho nidau patukam. So if you have patuka and then metam in the next line, so move that im to the first line. So make it patukam. So put an im and then a comma, patukam. Next line starts with etam. So etam palaya. Etam palaya hanta me vivashatam, comma, sampricha devaniman. Ha ha durjana bhuri bharamatitam patho nidau patukam etam palaya hanta me vivashatam sampricha devaniman.
हा हा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् हा हा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशताम् सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान्
हा हा दुर्जनभूरिभारमतितां पातो निदौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमाम् हा हा दुर्जनभूरिभारमतितां पातो निदौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमाम्.
Devaniman in at the end.
Oh, so okay, because I have it as a im there. Okay.
Third line. Ityadi prachura pralapa vivasham. So anga vivasha kapram ma irundhadunaka, make it a im first and then put a comma. So ityadi prachura pralapa vivasham, comma. Next start with a. Alokya dhata mahim. So on the ma we are breaking it into im and a. So alokya dhata mahim, comma. Devanam vadanani vikshya parito, comma, dhadyau bhavantam hare. Ityadi prachura pralapa vivasham alokya dhata mahim devanam vadanani vikshya parito dhadyau bhavantam hare.
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवतं हरे
Bhavantam hare. Dhadyau
भवन्तं हरे इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दद्यौ भवन्तं हरे
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य दाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य दाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे.
Stanza 3. ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमूनैः सुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविदौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिदिययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्. So Brahma then comes out of his meditation and Uche cha Ambujaha. Ambujaha is referring to Brahma. So Brahma is then coming out of meditation saying, you know what, Satyam Daritrya Vacho, whatever the, O Devas, whatever the earth, Mother Earth said is true. Because when he's meditating, he's able to visualize all the bad things that are happening. So Satyam, whatever she said is actually true. And what she said, what the Mother Earth said, as well as what you all said, O Devas. So Rakshana Vidau, see, in the matters of protection, when you want to protect something here, I think only person who is capable is Lakshmi Patihi, the husband of Sri Lakshmi, so Mahavishnu. So only Mahavishnu is capable of protecting us in this situation. So Sarve, all of them, so Brahma along with all the Devas, Sharva Purasara. So Sharva is referring to Shiva. So Sharva Purasara, so led by Lord Shiva, Brahma and all the Devas. Then Brahma said, all of us are going to be going, Lord Shiva is going to lead us, and we are going to go to Payovaridim. We are going to go to the Milky Ocean where Lord Vishnu is, and then Natvatam Stuvahe. Once we go there, we're going to kind of prostrate before him and then ask for Mahavishnu's help. So together they all go to meet Vishnu. This stanza 3. So Uche Chambuja Bhura Munai Suraha. Uche Chambuja Bhur Amunai Suraha. But don't, it'll be difficult to break it that way. So try to say it together. Uche Chambuja Bhura Munai Suraha, comma. Satyam Dharitriya Vacho, comma. Nanvasya Bhavatam Cha Rakshana Vidau, comma. Daksho hi Lakshmi Patihi. Uche Chambuja Bhura Munai Suraha Satyam Daritriya Vacho Nanvasya Bhavatam Cha Rakshana Vidau Daksho hi Lakshmi Patihi.
ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं दरित्र्यावचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः.
So and the Suraha, and the Suraha one, if you just stretch that a little bit, right? Like Uche Chambuja Bhura Munai Suraha Satyam Daritrya Vacho.
Okay, that will get the tune.
Vachaha irukeenga.
Or some people say some places it will be Vachaha, some people it will be Vacho. I think it's, but yeah, the booklet, most books had Vacho. So if you have Vachaha, just change it to Vacho. It means the same thing. Saying, but
ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं दारित्र्यावचो ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्यावचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः.
ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्यावचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविदौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः. ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्यावचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविदौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः.
Sarve Sharva Purasara. So first Sa, next is Sha. So Sarve Sharva Purasara Vayamito, comma, Gatva Payovaridim comma, natva tam stumahe javaditi yayuhu, comma, sakam tavaketanam. सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्.
ராஜேஷ்
ஆ.
இது யூ யூஸ் சாகம் சொல்லலாமா? இங்க இருக்கு ஒரு இஸ் இருக்கு.
ஆமா, அது வந்து if you're saying the entire thing together it becomes an is. But because we are kind of just stopping there, right, halfway in every sentence, அதனால it becomes yayuhu. Okay, but if you're saying it continuously, it becomes natva atam stumahe javaditi yayus sakam tava ketanam அப்படி வந்துடும். But because we are stopping there, that's why we are putting that visarga pops up there.
Okay.
And the yayuhu க்கு அப்புறம் we are putting a comma. That's why.
सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादीति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्. सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्.
सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्. सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्.
Stanza 4. ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्धजलधे स्थिरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् सपादोजभूः त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्. So te gataha, so all of them led by Lord Shiva, Brahma and all the gods, they left and then they go to Dugdha Jaladehe. Dugdha Jaladehe refers to the Milky Ocean. Tire, they go to the bank, so they go to meet Mahavishnu there. So there, when they were all standing, Sangata, as they were all standing together, and Tvat Pada, on your feet, Chintana Eka Manasaha, when all their minds were completely fixated on your feet and they were meditating there. Tavatsa Padoja Buhu. So again, last time we saw Amboja Buhu, right? Pona stanza. Chambuja Bura Munaisua. Chambuja is Cha and Ambuja. And this is here now it says the Padoja Bu. So Bu is born and the Padoja or Ambuja is referring to the lotus. So just multiple ways of saying lotus. So in both cases, it's referring to Brahma. It is saying the one who is born from the lotus. So here Padoja Buhu. So one who is born from lotus again, which is Brahma. So then that lotus born Brahma. Tvad Vacham Hridaye Nishamya. So your words. Again here Bhattatripad is always referring to in first person, right? So he's saying, oh Krishna, Guru, your words. But in that case, they're meditating on Vishnu. So when your words, when Lord Brahma heard it in his heart, Hridaye, so he then says, Sakalan Ananda Inyuchuan. Everybody feels happy now because Brahma is finally got a message. And Brahma said, I have been told, Aham Akyataha, I have been told by Vishnu, by Paramatma Swayam, by the Supreme Lord himself, I have been given this message. Vakyam tat akarnyatam. So I'm going to now tell you some things, what I've been told, which will be very pleasant. You will all be very happy to hear what I have been told. Brahma he doesn't say what is said in this stanza, but he ends it with that here. So te mugdhanila shali dugdha jalade. If you have jaladehe by any chance, you can put a is and then join to the next word. but if your book all automatically has the is, then no worries. So te mugdanila shali dugda jalades tiram gataha irukku. Again put a is and join it. Gata sangata, and then put a plus and take it till yavat. Next line la and yavat two half tas you will have. So go till the first half ta. So yavat and then put a comma. Okay, so it's te mugdanila shali dugda jalades tiram gata sangata yavat. Okay, so go till yavat comma. Then next it starts with tvatpada. So tvatpada chintanaika manasaha. If you have a is there, remove it and put a comma. So chintanaika manasaha, comma. Tavat sa padojabuhu. Pathojabuhu. ते मुक्तानिलशालि दुग्धजलधे स्थिरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् स पाथोजभूः.
ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलदेस्ति ते मुग्
Jaladhes Steeram. You can just
okay
take it slightly up there. Jaladhes Steeram.
jalade okay ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलदेस् तीरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पद ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलदेस् तीरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् स पार्थो च भूः.
So on the Yavat Kapro, technically we can just continue and go all the way to Chintanaika Manasaha. We were just pausing there if you're not able to say it together. But if you're able to say it together, we don't have to pause at Yavat.
So இப்படி வருமா அப்போ ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलदेस् तीरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः
Correct.
तावत् स पार्थो च भूः.
That's right. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, so we can just, yeah, sorry. So if you want, we can just remove that comma after Yavat if it is fine. You're finding it difficult to stop there, and we can just say it together. That's fine. Okay, so you can just remove the comma after Yavat.
Rajesh, the second line, is it Sangataha or Sangata?
So
Stiram.
because we are joining it there, I think if in the booklet there is no visarga first of all, but if you just use it as that word, then it becomes Sangataha. But when you're saying it together with Sangata Yavat, that visarga goes away. Visarga will not be there. So we are joining essentially the first line and the second line together all the way till Manasaha.
ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलदे स्थिरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् स पातो जबूः. ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलदे स्थिरं गता सङ्गता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् स पातो जबूः.
When Sangeeta was saying she was landing in that Yavat, so that pause there made sense when she was saying, but I removed it because when Sabita was saying it like you were saying it together. You are not landing at that Yavat exactly, right? So anyway, it doesn't matter. If you want to pause, you can pause briefly at Yavat, right? Whoever wants to. Twadvacham hridaye nishamya, comma. Sakalan Ananda Ennuchivan. So next line, if you have Nakyata, remove that na from the fourth line and put it in the end of the third line. So En Ananda Ennuchivan in, comma. Next line becomes Akyata. Okay, and if you have Akyataha, then put a F there to join with Paramatmana. So Akyata Paramatmana Swayamaham Vakyam Tada Karnyatam. त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्.
Quick question. பரமாத்மனாக வருதாங்க.
இல்லையே.
ஆக்கியாத பரமாத்மா.
பரமாத்மனா ஸ்வயமஹம்.
ஓகே, பரமாத்மனா ஸ்வயமஹம்க்கு அப்புறம் கமாவா?
இல்ல கமா, that thing is generally together all the
Okay.
way, the full lines together.
ஓகே. त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलानानन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्. त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्.
तद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य
त्वद्वाचं, त्वद्, not tad.
त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्. त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्.
Okay, so we'll go to stanza 5. जाने दीनदशामहं दिविषधां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलह्या देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पादोजभूरुचिवान्. So in the previous at least in one of the books I read, it said that Bhagavatatla, it had said that Brahma was chanting Purusha Sukta when he was meditating before Vishnu came into his mind and said that. Anyway, so here now the last Brahma said, okay, I have been told this in my mind, let me tell you what Vishnu said. So now this is Brahma is telling in first, like telling as if Vishnu is telling it. So Vishnu says, Jane, I know, Dina Dashamaham, I know the sad state, right, of Divishadam, of the gods, as well as the Bhumehecha, of the earth as well. I know all the bad things that are happening. I know the sad state of that, which is caused by Bhimai Nrupaihi, which is caused by the cruel kings. So Tat Kshepaya, for the elimination or for the removal of that, Bhavami Yadavakule, I myself will be born in the Yadavakule, in the clan of the Yadavas. Saha Aham Samagratmana, that I'll be born with all my powers. So if you look at all the avatarams, right, essentially in the Rama avataram and Krishna avataram are like the Purna avatarams. The Matsya avataram, Kurma avataram are called like Leela avatarams, because the god just came for one particular thing, did that act, and then went back, right? So they are just kind of Leela avatarams, and these Rama and Krishna avataram are Purna avataram, where the god took birth and then stayed the entire lifespan, right, to do a lot of other things. So those are the two main Purna avatarams. And even in the between those two Purna avatarams, and even in that, like Balarama is also not a full incarnation, not a full incarnation. It's only a partial incarnation, right? So if you think of all the powers, only some of the God's powers were in Balarama. So Balarama is a partial incarnation. And Krishna Avatara, Rama Avataratlu, although it was the full incarnation, he still was bound by a lot of the guidelines and principles of humans, right? Although he was a very powerful person, he still stuck to the rules or guidelines of humans. But in Krishna Avataram, that is not the case, right? In Krishna Avataram, right from when Krishna is born, whether it be Putana coming or anybody coming, the full power was in display. So that's why here Vishnu is saying that Bhavami, I myself will be born in the Yadava Kule with Saham Samagratmana, with my entire power. So my entire incarnation, I'm going to be coming in, in this Yadava clan. And the Devaha, so all the Devas who are actually there, they will also be born in the Vrishni clan. So Vrishni clan is the Yadava clan really. And so under they will also take birth as various peoples in the Vrishni clan. Kalaya as part incarnation. So the entire Devas are not, so the way it is you can either take birth as full, or you can just give some of your part of your soul takes birth. So in that Devas only a partial incarnation of the Devas will happen in the Vrishni clan. Devangana Chavana, so the wives of the Devas, right, who were also always praying and meditating on the god, so they also wanted a chance to be with the god. So these wives of the gods will be born as the wives of the Yadavas, right, in Gokulam. So they are the Gopika Stris, right, who are also born as that. So the wives of the Devas also will get a chance to participate. Mat Sevartam, to serve me. So they will be born as gopis to be able to serve me. Iti Tvadiya Vachanam. So these words of yours, Padojabuhu, Brahma Uchivan said. So Brahma is just reciting that this is going to happen. Appadina Vishnu has said. So Jane Dina Dashamaham, comma, Divishadam Bhumescha Bhimair Nripaihi. So next line, if you have a is in your book, remove the is from the second line, put a visarga in the first line. So Bhimair Nripaihi, comma, Tat Kshepaya Bhavami Yadavakule, comma, Soham Samagratmana. Janhe Dina Dashamaham Divishadham Bhumescha Bhimair Nripaihi Tatkshepahya Bhavami Yadavakule Soham Samagratmana.
Jane deenadashamaham divishodam bhumescha bhimair nripaihi takshepaya bhavami yadavakule soham samagratmana. Jane deenadashamaham divishodam bhumescha bhimair nripaihi takshepaya bhavami yadavakule soham samagratmana.
जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तक्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तक्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना
Deva Vrishnikule Bhavantu Kalaya, comma, Devanganash Chavanau. So on the Deva Angana, so it's Devanganash Chavanau. If you by chance have Devanganaha Chavanau, appadina bookla potirundhanaka, you can join it by putting a ish. Okay, so that's why it's Devanganash Chavanau, comma, Mat Sevartam iti. So mat sevartam iti tvadiya vachanam, comma, padojabur uchivan. Padojabur uchivan. Again, padojabuhu referring to Brahma here. So padojabur uchivan.
அது பாதோவா இல்ல பாத்தோவா?
Pathoja buruchivan. Deva Vrishnikule Bhavantu Kalayam Devanganaschavanau Matsevartamite Tvadiya Vachanam Pathoja Bhuruchivan.
Deva Vrishnikule bhavantu kalaya devangana chavanau matsevartamiti tvadiya vachanam pathorja bhuruchivan. Deva Vrishnikule bhavantu kalaya devangana chavanau मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पार्थोर्च भूरुचिवान्
देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पातो जभूरुचिवान् देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पातो जभूरुचिवान्.
Stanza 6. श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावककृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्यपुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजाससूरात्मजः. So Shrutva Tava Vachaha. So on hearing your words, that which Brahma had then told the Devas, Karna Rasayanam. So for the people who Devas who heard it was like nectar like. It was so sweet. They were so extremely happy in hearing these words that Sarveshu, all of them, Swante Shvishu. So they are all completely, their minds were freed from sorrow. So okay, our problem has been taken care. Now it's no longer our problem. So they all kind of got happy with it. So Ishaha, O Lord, so Gateshu, so after they had left, after that you had satisfied them and they were all extremely happy, they left. Then Bhikyate Madhurapure. So in the Madhura, Mathura is the way people say it right now. If you Google it, it will say M-A-T-H. It was originally Madhura because Madhu is honey, sweet. So Madhura is a place where they used to say it was such a sweet place that honey used to flow in the streets of Brimba. But of course, literally honey never used to flow in the streets, but it was a very sweet place. So it used to be Madhurapure, that's the right word, but now it has become Mathura. The English translation. So that's why here it's Madhurapure. So in the famous city of Madura, where, by the way, the Madurai also has the word Madhu. So it's referring to is like honey or sweet. That's the prefix of Madurai. So in this Bhikyate Madhurapare, in this famous the sweet place of Madura, Bhavat Sanidhya Punyotare, it was already a famous place, which then became even more sacred because of your presence coming later. So there will be a Lakshanam, it's famous for different things. So Madura was already a famous city, which became even more famous because you were now going to be born there. So Dhanyam Devaka Nandana. So a virtuous daughter of Devaka, referring to Devaki. So Devaka Nandana. So her father's name is Devaka. So Devaka's daughter is Devaki. So that daughter of Devaki, Udvahat Raja. So she was getting married to Shuratmajaha, the son of Shurasena, which is Vasudeva. Right. So in that famous city of Madura, as all this happened, and then after several years had already passed, because on the Vrishni, the Devas are also born as Vrishni, the son and everything. So it is, I think, Vasudeva's grandfather or something like that. So all these generations had already passed. And then one day, Devaki was getting married to Vasudeva in Madura. This is 6. So Shrutva Karna Rasayanam Thava Vachaha, comma, Sarveshu Nirvapita, and then put a plus there. Sarveshu Nirvapita plus Swante Shvisha. And after Swante Shvisha, put a comma. Gateshu Thavaka Kripa Piyusha Triptatmasu. Shrutva Karnarasayanam Tava Vachaha Sarveshu Nirvapita Swanteshvisha Gateshu Tavaka Kripa Piyusha Triptatmasu.
Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha sarveshu nirvapitas swanteshvisha kateshu tavaka kripa piyusha triptatmasu. Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachaha सर्वेषु स्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूष तृप्तात्मसु
श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीशगतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु.
The Swantesh Vishak apram, we put a comma there, so that
Okay.
you don't have to say the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay. श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु.
Bikhyate Madurapure, comma, Kilabavat Sanidhya Punyottare, Punyottare, and a double was a half ta and a full ta. So Punyottare, comma, Dhanyam Devaka Nandanam Udavaha Draja, because the Udavahat plus Raja, so you can't break it there. So Udavahat Draja Sa Shuratmajaha. So it's together, one line. Devaka Nandanam Udavahat Draja Sa Shuratmajaha. Vikyate Madurapure Khilabhavat Sanidhya Punyottare Dhanyam Devakanandanam Udavahadraja Sasuratmajaha.
विख्याते मधुरपुरे किल मधुरापुरे विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजस शूरात्मजः द्राजास शूरात्मजः.
Draja, remember Raja. Udavahat Rajasa Suratmajaha, if you break it.
विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा शूरात्मजः. Can you do one more time?
Yep.
विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनात् उदवहद्राजा शूरात्मजः.
Nandanam, okay.
நந்தனாம் அங்க லேண்ட் பண்ணனா நந்தனாம்ல முடிக்கணும், அப்புறம் உதவஹ. ஓகே,
கரெக்ட்.
विख्याते मथुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा शूरात्मजः. विख्याते मथुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनाम् उदवहद्राजा शूरात्मजः.
நீங்க வந்து மதுரா நேல அது மதுரா, இட்ஸ் த செகண்ட் த.
Okay, because the second the here in my book is given as the second the.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. It later on became Mathura, so நிறைய இடத்துல வந்து they would have put the second tha or th அப்படினு போட்டு. The original thing is the Madura. Okay,
Rajesh, ஒரே ஒண்ணு, அந்த முதவஹத் ராஜா வந்து கண்டினியூஸா or is there a break, because it has land a மாட்டேங்குது. கரெக்ட்.
ஆமா, if you want to break it, you will have to say Mudavahat Raja Shasuratmaja. Okay, so
போட்டுக்கலாம் இல்லையா ஒரு காமா முதவஹத்.
Yeah, you can say Mudavahat Raja, then the
okay.
Ra is it plus Ra.
Okay.
7 Udvaha vasitau tadhiya sahajah kamsota sammanayenne yetau sutataya gatah patirathe vyomottaya tvadgira asyastvamati dushtamashtamasuto hantepi hanteritah santrasat satu hantumanti kagatam tanvim kripani madhat. So Udvaha Avasitau. So when the Vivaham, the marriage is over now between Devaki and Vasudeva, and the marriage ceremony was over, Thadiya Sahajaha, so Devaki's brother Kamsaha, so Devaki's brother Kamsa, Sammanayan Etau, so he is now honoring both of them, he's honoring the couple. So he says, Sutataya Patirate, he said, you know what, although I am a big king, since you are my sister and brother-in-law, I will honor you, so I will be your charioteer. And then he then tells them to get into the chariot, and he says, I will drive the chariot, and he's trying to honor them that way. So Twadgira Vyomote. So at that point, Bhattacharya says, oh Krishna, your voice then rings up in the sky. So he hears your voice in the sky and saying, Twam Ati Dushtam. Say, oh Kamsa, you are a very wicked person. Ati Dushtam, extremely wicked person. And Asya Ashtama Sutaha Hantaiti. So her eighth son is going to be your killer. Right? So, and then Bhattacharya is just condensing everything, right? So that thing says that, you know, why are you going and lifting her? Why are you going and honoring her? You know, you're so much in love with her, but at the end of the day, her eighth son is going to be your killer. A lot of details happen here. He's just condensing, saying, Asyas Ashtama Sutaha Hantaiti. So her eighth son is going to be your killer. Bhattacharya says, Krishna, you spoke, right, to remain Kamsa. So when this happens, Santrasat, so Kamsa now has great fear. So Adat Kripanim, so he immediately draws his sword, he removes his sword out, Hantum, to kill Antigatam Thanvim, so the beautiful lady who is there, who was nearby, which is Devaki. So he then draws out his sword to actually go kill Devaki. Udvaha Vasitau Tadiya Sahajaha, comma, Kamsota Sammanayan. So if you have Sammanaya in Sanskrit and then you have in and a na in the next line and all that, in the first line you make it Sammanayan in and then put a comma. Next line make it Etau. So Etau Sutataya Gataha irukum. So put a F there. Gatah Patirathe, comma, Vyomotaya Twadgira. Udvaha Vasitau Tadiya Sahajaha Kamsota Sammanayen Etau Sutataya Gatah Patirathe Vyomotaya Twadgira.
Udvaha Vasitau Tadiya Sahajaha Kamsota Sammanayan Etau Stutataya Gatah Patirathe Vyomotaya Twadgira. Udvaha Vasitau Tadiya Sahajaha Kamsota Sammanayan Etau Stutataya Gatah Patirathe Vyomotaya Twadgira.
उद्वाहावसितौ तदीयसहजः कंसोत सन्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरते व्योमोत्तया त्वद्गिरा उद्वाहा
And the Kamsota Sammanayan im.
Sammanayan, right?
Yeah, Sammanayan. And then and that you may want to emphasize that in konja Sammanayan.
Okay. उद्वाहावसितौ तदीयसहजः कंसोत सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरते व्योमोत्तया त्वद्गिरा
Asyas Tvam Ati Dushtam Ashtama Suto. So that's how you need to break it. Okay. So Asyas Tvam Ati Dushtam Ashtama Suto, comma, Hanteti Hanteritaha Santrasat Satu Hantum Antika Gatham Tanvim Kripanim Adhat. So that you can say that last line you can say it together. Asyas Tvam Ati Dushtam Ashtama Suto Hanteti Hanteritaha संत्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्
अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्ति कगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात् अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्ति कगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमदात्
So அந்த அஸ்யாஸ்துவாம் அதி துஷ்டம் ashtama suto. So if you can literally break it like that, right? Ashtama suto. So eighth son.
Okay, you want to asyaस्त्वामति दुष्टम अष्टमसुतो
Yeah, that's
हन्ति.
all.
Okay,
And the ashtama, the cholita just maybe very, very brief pause, right? So,
okay,
ashtama suto, avladhan.
okay. You want to try one more time?
You got it, it's fine.
Okay.
अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टम् अष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमदात् अष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमदात्
Stanza 8. गृह्णानश्चिकरेषु थां खलमतिः सौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान् आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा. So Grinnanaha. So now Kamsa then grabs Chikureshu. Chikureshu is referring to the hair. So he then grabs Devaki's hair. Kalamatihi, that evil-minded person, Kamsa, he's then grabbing her hair. Sauresh Chiram Santa, Vasudeva then goes, approaches Kamsa, and then says, you know what, it's your own sister, I'm your brother-in-law, why are you doing all this? And he teaches a lot of Upanishads and everything, but Kamsa anyway doesn't listen. So then the summary is Vasudeva then says, you know what, every child that is actually born to us, right, Arpanaha, Atmaja Gira. So whatever our children are born, Atmaja, we'll Arpana, we'll surrender it to you, so let us go now. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Vasudeva goes and tells. So Preeta, so Kamsa is now happy with this, and then he goes home and he puts Vasudeva and Devaki in the jail there. So Adhyam Tvat Sahajam. So Adhyam, your firstborn, your brother, Tvat Sahajam, when he was born, Tatarpitamapi. So Vasudeva then goes and surrenders that child to Kamsa. However, Snehena, out of love, because he's the mama, right? So out of the love of his sister's son, Asaunahan. So Kamsa does not kill this child out of love for his sister's child. So here Bhattacharya says, Dushtanamapi, even in the most wicked of people, O Lord, Pushta Karuna, there is always a little bit of compassion. Drishta Hidirekada, once in a while you can see in their heart a very small amount of compassion, even in the most wicked of people. Because Kamsa has still not killed it, but he decides not to kill it. So Bhattacharya says, even in the most wicked of people, once in a while you can see a very kind of iota of compassion that exists in them as well. So Grihnanash Chikureshu. So Grihnanaha, by any chance any book has it, you can put a ish to join it. So Grihnanash Chikureshu Tam Kalamatihi, comma Saureshchiram Santwanaihi. So on the no main or ir irundadunaka in your next line, remove that ir off and put a visarga at the end of the first line. So Saureshchiram Santwanaihi, comma no munchan Punaratma Jarpanagira. Punaratmaja Arpanagira. So it will be very difficult to break it. So you just say it as Punar Atma Jarpanagira together. Okay. So no munchan Punar Atma Jarpanagira, comma Pritota Yato Grihan. गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमतिः सौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान्
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्जन
नो
पुनरात्
मुञ्चन् नो
ओके
मुञ्चन् पुनरात्म
नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान् गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान्
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां कलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान् गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां कलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान्
आद्यं त्वत् सहजं तथार्पितमपि कॉमा स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ कॉमा दुष्टानाम् अपि देव पुष्ट करुणा कॉमा दृष्टा हि धीरेकदा आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देव पुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरेकदा
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा
Stanza 9. तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरं यूयं नन्वसुराः यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वदकृते भावीसुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूदुनदसौ सौरेश्च सूनूनहन्. So many places in Narayanam, whenever something happens, Bhattaripad always says it's because of what you wanted to happen. So here he says, Tavat Tvat Manasa Eva. So at that time, because of your will alone, because of what you wanted to do, Narada Munihi, sage Narada, Prochesa Bhojeshwaram. Bhojeshwara is referring to Kamsa here. So Narada Muni is going to Kamsa and then saying, Yuyam Nanu Asuraha. So he's saying you are all Asuras. Kamsa, you are an Asura, and all your friends, you are all Asuras. And Suracha Yadavaha, the Yadavas, right, who you married Vasudeva, you married Devaki into, they are all like Devas. Think of them all as Devas, you are all Asuras, right? So Janasi Kimna Prabhu, don't you already know that, O king? You are a wise king. How could you forget that you are all an Asura? And the bad people are all the Devas. How can you forget that? Mayavi sa Harihi. That Hari is a magician, is a Mayavi, right? So Bhavat Vadakrite. So for your killing, to be able to kill you, Bhavi Sura Prarthana. He will be born because of Deva's prayers. He said the Deva, he's going, Narada is going and port kudukrar, saying the Devas have actually gone and prayed, and that's why Hari is going to be taking birth as one of the child of Devaki, and so you are going to get killed. So how can you then say that the first child is not going to impact you? And Avladhan Bhattatripat says here, but in the other story also is Narada says, if you draw a circle and you put 8 dots, how do you know which is the first dot? Maybe Hari is trying to trick you and is counting from back. அப்படி இப்படிலாம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணி விட்டுடுறேன். So Kamsa then says, you know what, on hearing this, Shaureshcha Sununahan. So hearing this, Kamsa then kills all of the children, the first 6 children of Devaki and Vasudeva. So the backstory here is in the, so Prahlada, we read about Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu and Prahlada, right? Prahlada was one of the sons of Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu also had another son called as Kalanemi. So this Kalanemi, unlike Hiranyakashipu, unlike Prahlada, he was a very devout follower of his father. He was just like Hiranyakashipu. And that Kalanemi actually had 6 sons who were Hiranyakashipu's grandsons. And those Hiranyakashipu's grandsons refused to follow the guidance of Hiranyakashipu. So they said, I'm not going to say Hiranyaya Namaha and all that. So they were like Prahlada. They were very devout to the god. Now, Brahma tapasalam pani, they got a lot of boon and everything, and they were all that. But Hiranyakashipu Hiranyakashipu got extremely angry with it, and then he cursed them that you are going to die at the hands of your father, Kalanemi. Right? He gives them a curse. But in that Janmam, they don't get killed by Kalanemi, so they kind of escape that. So they still had, and because they were very devout and everything, the only thing left for them was they had to be killed by Kalanemi. So that's why in this Dwapara Yuga, Kalanemi is born as Kamsa, and these 6 children of Devaki are actually those 6 6 children of Kalanemi from that from the Treta Yuga, right? And so they are born and they are just killed, and but even when Kamsa kills, they just get liberated, and then they go, and later on they actually all come back, right? So that is the kind of connection to what is actually happening here. That was the reason the 6 had to be born, and then they had to die at the hand of Kamsa. And this Kalanemi vandu apparama Kamsa vadam, and it is happening in 75. So at that point also Bhattatripat says, you know, on the Kalanemi oda vasanai you have a little bit, because in the 29th chapter, which we didn't do, in the Mohini Avataram, when that happens, right, this stanza which says Tvam Kalanemi Matamali Mukha. So Vishnu actually comes and kills Kalanemi and all of them. So Kalanemi has hated Vishnu for a long time. So Anda Janmatla he was born as Kalanemi, and then this now he's born as Kamsa, and eventually it's his, you know, his kind of birth and death.
Good story, Rajesh. இது தெரியவே தெரியாது about Kalanemi.
ஆமா, because அந்த 6 குழந்தைகள் எதுக்கு பிறக்கணும், in the sense like, because they were literally they were just born and then they were immediately freed, right? So apparama vandu Krishna brings all those 6 children back to Devaki, because later on Devaki, you know, much later, right, when Devaki is coming and asking Krishna, edukku enoda indha 6 குழந்தைகள், you know, why did they have to be born? You know, you had to be born, you could have just born, right? You could have been born as the first child, right? And just taken care of these things. So he says, no, they had you know, some karma left, that they had to be born and they had to be killed, right? So that's why they had to go through that cycle. And that, but the moment they came, and when Kamsa comes and tries to kill them, they get liberated, and then they were done, right? Because in the previous janmam they have done enough punyam to be liberated.
Thank you.
And then we'll see what happens to the, I think the 7th one comes next. So the first 6 ayirukku ipodiki. So tavat twan manasaiva, anga double half tha irukku. So tavat twan manasaiva narada munihi prochesa bhojeshwaram yuyam nanvasuraha irukku. So put a is there to join. Yuyam nanvasuras surascha yadavo, comma, janasi kimna prabho. Tavatvanmanasaiva narada munihi prochesa bhojeshwaram yuyam nanvasuras surascha yadavo janasi kimna prabho.
Tavatvanmanasaiva narada munihi प्रोचेस भोजेश्वरम् यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचेस भोजेश्वरम् यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो
तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचेस भोजेश्वरम् यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचेस भोजेश्वरम् यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो
मायावी स हरिर् भवद् वदकृते, so harir bhavad vadakrite, comma, bhavi sura prarthanath. So next line, if we have ditya karnya, remove that ditya and make it sura prarthanath, it in the end of the third line, comma. So it put the next line like itya karnya, start with the e. Itya karnya. So the next word on the, if I break it, it won't make sense for you to say it properly. So you may kind of have to say it together. So yedun adudhu nadasau. So yedun adudhu. The first du one is a long du. Adudhu. Second is a short du. Adudhu nadasau. Okay, so you got to say that adudhu nadasau together. So itya karnya yadun adhudu nadasau, comma, saureshcha sununahan. So mayavi saharir bhavad vadakrite bhavi sura prarthanate itya karnya yadun adhudu nadasau saureshcha sununahan.
मायावी सहरिर्भवद्वधकृते भावीसुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्ययदून् अदूधुस्तदसो शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्
Adhudu nadasau.
अदूधुनदसौ सौरेश्च सूनूनहन् मायावी सहरिर्भवद्वधकृते भावीसुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्ययदून् अदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्
मायावी हरिर्भवद्वदकृते भावीसुरप्रार्थनाद् इत्याकर्ण्ययदूनदूदुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
And the first third line is prarthanat. It's it, not a the.
Prarthanat. Okay.
Yeah.
I will take off the the then. मायावी सहरिर्भवद्वदकृते भावीसुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्ययदूनदूदुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
Stanza 10.
Quick question, Rajesh. Yadun, அது சேர்த்து சொல்லலாமா இல்ல அங்க ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணணுமா?
I
யதூன்
say it together only. If you can say it together, better to say it together. Yaduna dhudhu nadasau. You can say it together. I broke it at yadun and adutu only so that you can learn it properly.
Okay, thank you.
Stanza 10. Prapte saptama garbhatamahipathau त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधवरोहिणी त्वमपि भोः सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः देवक्या झठरं विवेशितविभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः स त्वं कृष्णविदूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां धेहि मे. So prapte saptama garbhata. So and the appropriate time came, then entered into the womb of Devaki at the time, during the 7th pregnancy of Devaki. Ahipatau. So Ahi is snakes. Ahipatau is the king of snakes. The king of snakes is Adishesha, which is referring to Balarama here, right? So because Balarama is the part incarnation of Adishesha, and Adishesha itself is a part of Vishnu only. So they're all kind of all connected anyways. So the king of serpents, Adishesha, enters into Devaki's womb for the 7th pregnancy. Tvat Preranat, because of your prompting again, right? Because of your prompting, it's happening. And then also by your prompting, Maya Niti, because of Yoga Maya, and this Yoga Maya, two things happen. One of them is this, and then the second thing is later on in 38th Dasakam when Krishna is getting born and all that. So, and this also so what happens is the baby is transferred into Rohini's womb. So Rohini is the other wife of Vasudeva, who is actually living in Gokulam. So to Rohini's womb, this baby is actually getting transferred. So Balarama, that's how is born into Rohini's womb as the 7th child. And what Vasudeva and Devaki then tell Kamsa is there was a miscarriage, and so this child died. So that's how the 7th count was taken care of, and the 7th child is not actually getting killed. It is actually getting transferred into Rohini's womb. So then Tomapi Boho, you also then Satchit Sukha Eka Atmakaha. So you are like Satchit. So you're like the one consciousness, Satchit Sukham, which is the ultimate bliss. So you who is the joining of both the Satchit Sukham and the Satchit and Sukha in one soul, Eka Atmakaha. So both of it are getting merged into one soul, and Devakya Jataram. You then enter into Devaki's womb, right? So appadi solittu Bhattacharya ends this. So so when that happens, you are well praised by the Devas, etc. Satvam Krishna. So that Krishna, Viduya Roga Patalim, eradicate all my ailments, and Bhaktim Param Dehime, please give me supreme devotion as well. So now don't only eradicate all my diseases, also give me supreme devotion. Bhattacharya ends this chapter. So prapte saptama garbhatam ahipatau tvat preranan mayaya nite madhava rohini tvamapi bho satchet sukhaikatmakah. Sorry, I should have said broken it. Prapte saptama garbhatam ahipatau, comma, saptama garbhatam ahipatau, comma, tvat preranan Mayaya, and then put a plus. So Tvat Preranan Mayaya Nite Madhava Rohinim, comma, Tvamapi Boho irukku. So put a is there to join it. So Tvamapi Bos Satchit Sukhaikatmakaha. Prapte Saptamagarbhatamahipatho Tvat Preranan Mayaya Nite Madhava Rohini Tvamapi Bho Satchit Sukhaikatmakaha.
Prapte Saptama Garbhata Mahipatau Tvat Preranatma Yaya Nite Madhava Rohini Tvamapi Bho Satchita Sukhaikatmakaha.
Sabita, sorry, and the first one, the Tvat Preranan Tvat Preranan Maya, and the such SACH
Satchit Sukhaikatmakaha.
Correct.
Okay. Prapte Saptamagarbhata Mahipatau Tvat Preranan Mayaya Nite Madhava Rohini Tvamapi Bo Satchit Sukhaikatmakaha.
Prapte saptama garbhatamahipatau tvat preranan mayaya nite madhava rohini त्वमपि भो सच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः
இது அந்த அஹிபத்தோக்கு அப்புறம் was a pause.
प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भतामहिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया नीते माधवरोहिणी त्वमपि भो सच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः
தேவக்யா ஜठரம் விவேஷித விபோ காமா சம்ஸ்தூயமானஹ இருக்கு, you can put a is there to join, so சம்ஸ்தூயமானசுரைஹி காமா
Rajesh, one second. Chataram Viveshita, you said, right? I have it as Vivishita.
விவேஷித விஐவிஇ விவேஷித
Viveshita. Okay.
விபோ காமா சம்ஸ்தூயமானசுரைஹி. So next lineல இந்த ச துவம் இருக்கு, so the sa is referring to that, tuam is referring to you, so we can't say it as sattvam because that's not, it's not the same sattvam as sattvam rajas tamas, and the sattvam kadiyadu idu. So you have to separate that sa and the tuam, right? So just a very brief pause. Sa tuam apdi, okay, on the last line la, so sa tuam Krishna, so that you Krishna, so satvam Krishna viduya roga patalim comma bhaktim param dehi me. देवक्या झठरं विभेषित विभो संस्तूयमानस्सुरैः स त्वं कृष्ण विदूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानसुरैः सत्वं कृष्णविधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे. देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानसुरैः सत्वं कृष्णविधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विदूय रोगपटले भक्तिं परां देहि मे. देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विदूय रोगपटले भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
Okay, this will end today's class, and next class we'll see the actual Krishna Avataram. So here Krishna has entered into the womb of Devaki, and the next Dasakam is where the actual birth happens, right? सान्ध्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टपात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनाः. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
நம்ம